Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the temporary nature of power and the wisdom of humility. Power is never permanent. Today's advantage may be tomorrow's undoing. Okay? Treat others with fairness, for life has a way of reversing roles. Power is a passing season, no position, title, or influence last forever. History has proven that those who were once mighty have eventually been replaced, forgotten, or humbled. Power is like the wind, it shifts from one direction to another without notice. The wise understand this and never boast in what can fade. When you hold power, whether in leadership, wealth, or influence, handle it as a temporary stewardship, not a permanent possession. Humility preserves greatness. Arrogance shortens the lifespan of power. Many have fallen not because of lack of skill, but because pride blinded them to their limitations. Humility, on the other hand, extends influence. A humble heart listens, learns, and leads with compassion. True greatness is not found in how many people serve you, but in how faithfully you serve others. Humility builds bridges that power alone can never maintain. The test of character in authority. Power does not change people, it reveals who they truly are. When authority is given, the heart's true condition comes to light. Some use power to dominate, while others use it to empower. The difference lies in character. Leadership without integrity becomes tyranny, but leadership guided by wisdom becomes a blessing. Always remember, character outlives position. The inevitable reversal of roles. Life is cyclical. The one you look down upon today may become your superior tomorrow. Circumstances shift, fortunes rise and fall, but the seed of kindness remains constant. When you treat others with dignity, even in their weakness, you sow a harvest of mercy of your future. The powerful should never forget that tables turn, seasons change, and the humble may one day be exalted. Wisdom in dealing with people. Power must be balanced with empathy. Influence without compassion is empty. A wise leader listens to the cry of the lowly, respects the opinions of others, and leads with understanding. It takes strength to stay gentle when you could be harsh, and true wisdom to forgive when you could retaliate. The greatest power lies in self control and discernment, not in domination. When power is used rightly, when power is exercised with fairness, justice, and love, it becomes a channel of progress rather than destruction. Great leaders use their authority to lift the weak, defend truth, and create opportunities for others. The true purpose of power is service, not selfishness. Those who understand this principle never lose their influence, even after their position fades, because they live in the hearts of those they touched. The inescapable law of life. Every action returns in some form. The one who abuses others will one day face the weight of that same injustice. Life has a divine balance that rewards kindness and exposes pride. The way you treat people while in power determines how you will be treated when the balance shifts. Choose mercy over manipulation and fairness over favoritism. For what you sow in power, you will reap in weakness. Key reflections. Power is borrowed, not owned. Treat it with reverence. Humility is the true strength that sustains influence. Character is the foundation that keeps power steady. Life is tables always turn. Lead with fairness and compassion. Power used to serve others outlives power used for self. The wise lead with gentleness, for tomorrow they may need the same mercy.